the details that are now coming in of violence once again that has been reported from West Bengal. As far as the voting which is currently underway, there has been an incident of stone pelting that has been reported in West Bengal, and the stone pelting incident that has been caught on camera, this is being reported from Chandamari. According to sources, the BJP booth president has been injured. This is in Cooch Behar, which is being reported, where this incidence of violence, where this incident of stone pelting on camera has been recorded. Let me go across to Shreya now. Shreya, exactly what has happened? We're looking at a violence and first of this incident that has been reported, and that too coming in from the state of West Bengal.
You know, of course, remember, ever since morning 7 a.m. today, we have received reported incidents of violence, reported news of violence from all the three seats in West Bengal, especially Cooch Behar. Now, there is allegation and counter-allegation of both this political party, both TMC and BJP. Somewhere they're saying that voters are being intimidated. Somewhere they're saying that their election office, temporary election office, has been burned down. So we have seen several allegations made by both the parties since morning. Now, in this incident in Chandamari, there has been an incident of stone pelting where TMC and BJP, there was a clash between both the supporters of both the political parties. Stones were pelted. Now BJP claims that their booth president have also been injured in this incident.
All right, that is the claim being made by the BJP. Of course, we are waiting for reactions to come in. However, the governor of the state also to cast his vote this morning, and the reactions that are also coming in, let's listen in.